Hello, in this video I will show you how to create a new floor plan. Tap Create Plans. Enter the floor plan information. Select the plan type. Tap OK. Enter into the drawing interface. Tap the white top icon. Tap Setting. Turn off Display External Wall. Set the external wall thickness, ceiling height, and the unit. And go back to the drawing interface. Take the left plan as an example. We start to create a floor plan. First, draw the room with an entrance door. Normally, it is a living and dining room. The room can then be adjusted the desired shape and size. So you could draw the shape first and confirm the dimension one by one later. When you have drawn two lines, an closing icon appears. You could tap this icon to close the space. Now let's confirm the dimension. Okay, after confirming the dimension, tap Room Name to name the room. Now it's time to add a door. Tap the white button icon, Part. Select the white door type and drag it to the white place. Adjust the door size accordingly. Pay attention, the door thickness is the same as the wall. Next, we could start to draw the connecting wall. First, we need to add a door. Confirm the door size and location. This step is very important as this door is the connection of the existing wall and the new wall. After the door is confirmed, pay attention, the room must start from one of the door terminals and end with another door terminal. Same as the previous procedures, draw the room shape and then adjust the room size. After the room has the desired shape and size, you could add the windows or other objects. Tap Part, select the type, and drag the objects to the Y location. The rest room can be drawn as the above procedures till the whole floor plan is complete. Add a door. Confirm the door size and location. Draw the room. Confirm the wall length. Name the room. Add a door again. Draw the wall. Name the wall. Add another door. Draw the wall. Name the wall. Add the door. Confirm the wall size. Okay, tap the top back icon to lock the objects which have been finished to avoid some incorrect operation. After that, tap the white top icon, tap Setting, turn on Display External Wall, go back to the drawing interface, save. Now the home floor plan is complete. Thank you for watching.